Hello there, my lovely friends. I wanted to create a quick and super effective warm-up routine that you can do to prep your body for any kind of workout. Let's begin by standing up nice and tall at the top of our mats and just take a nice inhale to float your arms out to the side. Exhale, bend the knees around the back, round your arms in front, drop the head. Inhale to come back to center and exhale to reverse the curve of your spine, squeezing those shoulder blades together and come back to center. Let's go for it again. Big exhale as you scoop the belly, tuck the tail, tuck the chin. Inhale, stand up tall, and exhale, reverse your curve, arching the back, opening up the chest. And inhale back to center. Beautiful. Float your arms down. Let's bend the knees and let's just roll all the way down to the floor. Just let your arms and upper body hang and just breathe deep and kind of shake it out, sway side to side. Just take out any tension that may be in your upper body. Place your palms on the floor and then try to lengthen your legs up as long as you can. And again, we'll bend the knees deep. Lengthen the legs long. And bend. Good. Lengthen long. And bend. Make sure those knees are tracking in line with your toes. And lengthen long. Good. Take a nice deep breath here. And let's walk the hands out just enough into our downward facing dog. Try to drop your chest down towards the floor and really press those heels down. And then let's just alternate lifting our heels off the mat, just kind of walking it out, feeling a nice stretch in the backs of the legs, calves, Achilles. Good. Keep changing. Take your time. Make sure you're breathing. Good. And take a moment to place both feet flat on the floor. Drop your chest down towards the floor and gently lower your knees down to the mat. Here we are in our tabletop position. Adjust your hands so they're directly underneath your shoulders, and let's circle those hips around. Just go whatever way your body wants to go. This should feel quite amazing. Good. And let's see if we can reverse the circle, going the other way, passing through your cat and your cow poses. Good. Keep it nice and smooth. Keep it moving. Good work. And let's return our spine to neutral. Adjust to your forearms. And from here, let's lift the right leg out and up, and we're just going to go for some hip circles. So just circle the leg around. Doesn't matter which way you go. We're going to go both ways 4 times. This is a really great way to release your hips, open them up, loosen them up a little bit. And now reverse the circle. Make sure your core is, of course, engaged. We're always pulling the belly button in and up towards the spine. Good. Keep circling. Beautiful. And lower that leg down. Good job. From here, everyone, come back onto your palms so your arms are straight. Lengthen your right leg out to the side, and I want you to reach up with your right arm. Enjoy this beautiful twist of the spine, and then we're going to thread the needle. And now we are down on the mat. Good. Just breathe nice and deep. Good. And use your core. Press your left palm into the floor to lift your body back up. Reach up to the sky. And lower that hand down. Good. Bring the legs back together, and let's of course do the same thing on the second side. Coming back down onto your forearms, and now we're going to go into our hip circles with our left leg. Circle whichever way your leg wants to go first. 4 times. Good. Keep that core engaged. We really don't want to move anything else but the left leg. So no extra movement, no extra rocking and rolling. let's reverse our circle now, going the opposite way. Biggest circle you can make, loosening up those hips. Very nice, everyone. And let's adjust back to our straight arms. Lengthen out your left leg, reach up with your left arm, open up the chest, twisting the spine, and we thread the needle. Good. Placing your left face cheek on the mat. Breathe deep. And bringing the body up, reaching up to the sky with that left arm. Very nice. And lowering the left palm back down. Bring your left leg in, return back to your tabletop, and just lengthen your right leg behind. We're just going to hold this position for a moment. Breathe deep, navel to your spine. Make your right leg as long as possible. And if you can, see if you can release your left arm. Energy shooting out of the fingertips, energy shooting out of the toes. And lower your limbs back down. And let's release the left leg. Same thing. Breathe deep, core engaged. Make your left leg as long as you can. And when you're ready, release your right arm. Really lengthening the limbs in opposition. And lower your limbs back down. Good. Let's tuck the toes under. And from here, we're just going to step back into our high plank pose. Adjust your hands if you need to so they're directly under your shoulders, booty down. And let's take a big monster step forward with our right foot. Hold it here and reach and twist up with that right arm. Great stretch for those hip flexors. And lower the palm back down. Step back with your right foot, and we do the same thing on the second side. Step forward with the left. Reach and twist up with your left. Really try to drop that right hip down to the floor. And palm goes down and step back with that left foot. Good. Feel a nice flat line in your plank, and we are going to shift back by bending the knees, rounding the back, and inhale, shoot it out. Exhale, push and shift your body back. And inhale, lengthen back out. Good. 2 more times. Really rounding the back, scooping the belly, tucking the tail, tucking the chin. And here's our last one. Exhale, shift back. And inhale, shoot it out. Good. Stick with me. Fancy little transition. I want you to step off your mat. Then we are going to lower our body down to our forearm plank. Gently lower your body all the way down to the floor and roll onto your mat, onto your backs. Good. Reach your arms by your ears and let's go for a nice smooth roll up. Inhaling and then exhaling to peel the spine and round over the legs. Good. Hold it here, nose to the knees. Feel a nice stretch. Flex the feet and come up into your flat back, dropping the head back. If you can't reach your toes, that's okay. Hands can go on the shins. Melt your body over your legs and roll down sequentially through the spine. We're going to do that one more time. Inhale, fingertips to the sky, tuck your chin. Exhale, peel your spine and round over your legs. Good. Keep breathing. Enjoy this nice stretch. And again, flex your feet. Fingertips on the toes or shins. Make a flat back, dropping your head back. Space between the shoulders and ears, always, always. And melt over the legs once again. Let's just roll up to a seated position. And from here, we are going to find our half roll back. Bend the knees, feet flat on the floor, legs hip width apart. Roll your shoulders down and back, spine is tall. Inhale, scoop the belly. Exhale, tuck the tail. Find your halfway point. Pump 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale here. Exhale, crunch your right knee in. Inhale, down and left and down. Inhale, exhale. And exhale. Good. 4 more. The more you bring your knee towards your chest, the better we get in touch with those core muscles. Good. And let's go back to our pumps. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Good. Back to those knee crunches. Make sure your belly's really scooped. Tailbone is really tucked. Strive to bring your knee as close to your chest as possible, really getting in touch with those deep core muscles. Good, keep going. Great, and lengthen your legs out nice and long. Use your core to sit up tall. Float the arms down. Let's bend the right knee and twist to the right. Left arm is on the outside of that right leg. Right fingertips reaching behind. Feel your spine really spiraling upwards as you twist. Body comes back to center and bend the left knee. Right hand goes on the outside of that left leg. Twisting to the left, shoulders down, spine is long. Good. Body back to center and just lower yourself gently down towards the mat. Bring your right knee into the chest. Hands go behind your thigh. Lengthen up your right leg as long as you can. Breathe deep and let's just circle around that right foot just to release the ankle a little bit. Good. Keep breathing. Keep circling the foot. And see if you can just walk your hands up now, closer to your ankle. You can crunch up nice and high, lifting your head, neck, and shoulders off the mat. Breathe deep. Enjoy this stretch in the backs of the legs. And gently walk your hands down, lower the head down, bend the knee, lengthen your leg long, and here we go, second side. Left knee comes into the chest, lengthen your leg long, breathe deep, and just circle that foot around. Good. And steady your foot, and we'll walk the hands up towards the ankle. Curl up if you want. Enjoy this stretch. Make sure there's space between your shoulders and ears. Good. And walk the hands back down. Bend that left leg and lengthen your left leg on the mat. Reach your arms behind you so they're right next to your ears. Let's roll it on up nice and smooth. Round over your legs again. Last time. Nose to the knees. And roll up through the spine to sit up tall and just circle your head all the way around to the right. And then circle your head all the way around to the left. Great job, my friends. All right, you should be nice and warmed up and ready to jump into whatever workout you plan on doing next. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Take care of you. Bye.